Hello and welcome on this special edition of Hub Encounter. Finally, when it comes to Tamil Nadu, the Congress has managed to get its two ministers in the cabinet after a gap of almost 59 years. Now, when we discuss about Tamil Nadu elections, there are two connections that we prominently find as far as Goa is concerned. One is Girish Chodankar, who was AICC in charge there in Tamil Nadu, who worked during the campaign, was there as a part of Congress strategy, helping party to strategize. And the second connection is Manickam Tagore. He was in charge of Congress for Goa. He has worked in Goa. So right now we have Mr. Tagore, Member of Parliament from Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir, for joining us.
Thank you.
So your first reaction as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, after almost 59 years, Congress is having its ministers in the state cabinet.
Yeah, this is a new beginning for Tamil Nadu Congress. And we all know that 59 years before when we lost power in 69. After that, Congress party has always fought elections with DMK or ADMK. And separately also, Congress has fought two times in the middle, assembly elections. But many times we had been with the ADMK and DMK alliance. And therefore, we had always helped them to win election, but we had never demanded power, or power sharing has never been there. Therefore, after 59 years, we are having an education minister and a tourism minister from the Congress party who are khadi wearing congressmen. And therefore, there's a huge thing for Tamil Nadu Congress. And this particularly in the time when coalition was not practiced, this is going to be the first coalition government in Tamil Nadu after 1957. Therefore, it's going to be a new experiment. And Mr. VIJAY, the TVK leader, has able to get these things done. And we have to appreciate the chief minister for accommodating the other parties also into the thing, because always in Tamil Nadu in 2006 also there was a minority government, lesser number than this number. Earlier, now Mr. Vijay has 107. We need 10 more MLAs. But in 2006, way back, we were having only 96. And DMK was having only 96 and Congress was having 38. But in that time also, Congress could not get its ministers in place. Therefore, but this time, AICC was very much active in it. And therefore, we were able to get our act together. And AICC in charge for Tamil Nadu, Girish Chodankar from, you all know well. He played a very important role in building a narrative for Tamil Nadu also. When he came as in charge, Congress was having 18 MLAs, but we were not, and the DMK was ruling. But he started this, he started with the party workers' views about what was the demand of the party workers. And party workers, the demand for power sharing was the main thing. So he led in front in 2025 when he first announced that we need power sharing. DMK reacted very, very aggressively against him. And there were many Congress leaders who were also not ready to stand with him. But the party workers stood with him. And therefore, we were able to uh, keep this as a big issue for debate in Congress in the 2026 elections before the alliance being sealed. But because the AICC leadership decided in a different fashion, therefore we have to go with DMK. That alliance got defeated. But after the defeat, also we got into the historic turn for Congress, Tamil Nadu Congress, a historic turn into the ministry. It is a huge thing for Congress.
So when we talk about Tamil Nadu, now entire India speaks about the chief minister, his aura, his glamour. And it is also right that Congress could not retain its seats. It has been reduced to just 5 seats. So how do you read these results?
No, main thing is that our alliance with DMK was not working. And because there was a set of leaders from the old guard in Congress in Tamil Nadu, who wanted an alliance with the continued an alliance with the DMK. There are set of young leaders who wanted an alliance with TVK. So we were completely divided. But the AICC leadership decided that because of parliament numbers and others, they went with the DMK and we lost. Because of DMK, we also lost. Collateral damage happened to us. That is the main thing. But after that loss, also, we were able to move quickly and form a government with Mr. Vijay, who is very popular, as you just said. His aura is, he has a huge following in Tamil Nadu and South India also. Across many states, we can see Mr. Vijay's support and his clarity on secularism and social justice makes him a very good friend of Rahul Gandhi ji. The ideals of Rahul Gandhi ji as for secularism and social justice unite them closely. Therefore, the relationship between Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Vijay adds better combination for us in Tamil Nadu.
So now when we are also going to face elections in several other states, and I'm also talking about Goa. Now you have Vijay with you, who is also having fan following across India. Will he be campaigning for Congress in other states too?
It is too early to say that thing because we are just this alliance is around 3 weeks old alliance, and therefore it's too early to call on for him to do many things for us. For he is setting up a better neat governance style in Tamil Nadu, which is new to Tamil Nadu after 59 years. The DMK government, which was having a lot of corruption charges, and therefore he is able to, yes, he has picked all honest officers as key positions and others. Therefore, this is a very important churning point he is doing in the Tamil Nadu politics. The way Tamil Nadu politics was working for the past 15 years is of money. Money power played a very important role in Tamil Nadu politics. This election, Mr. Vijay has turned that table, and the election here without this time TVK won without giving any money to the voters. For Tamil Nadu has gone to a different turn now. For he has to concentrate on his work, which is mandated to him. Therefore, it is too early for me to say about his involvement in other states.
Now before we shifting our focus to Goa. There is allegation by MP Jyoti Mani, which she has said that the tickets were sold, and she has complained to High Command that that the tickets were sold. So what is your reaction to that?
This is the immature way of approaching things. Elections are over. There were allegations and others. AICC has appointed a committee to inquire about it. And again, coming up through the media only helps the DMK to build a narrative and BJP to build a narrative. Because
Okay.
we all know that Congress Central Election Authority Committee, headed by Karge Saab, decides the seats. Therefore, these kind of allegations in for 28 seats, majority of the MLAs were repeated. That is, around 16 MLAs got tickets. Therefore, only new seats were only 12 seats. Therefore, these kind of wild allegations doesn't match with it. For there is a committee set up, and that committee has to submit their report to the AICC. If there is any kind of allegation we have, I mean, we should tell to the Congress leadership. It should not go like this after when we had formed a government with a new party which believes in honest politics and which has practiced in honest politics. We should not destroy. We should not disturb this narrative which is being built in favor of us by using this kind of post or this kind of words which is being used by our colleagues in the platforms.
So we have seen your tweet some days back, wherein you analyzed the Tamil Nadu politics right from 60s. You also spoken about how you are out of power for so many years. It's almost, I think, 59 years that you are out of power. You have also spoken about role of Girish Chodankar in the entire Tamil Nadu elections, and you have credited him to a great extent. Can you just elaborate on that? Being a Goan, we would like to listen more about it.
Yeah, but because AICC in charges plays a very important role in Congress things. And for example, when I was Goa in charge, my the PCC president and the CLP leaders all we have to take together, and the party also. But the AICC in charge always plays a major role in time. For election times in Tamil Nadu, when Mr. Girish was appointed as in charge in 2025, he was having only 7, 8 months to go. But he was able to hear the party workers, and the party workers, majority of them were having a feeling that the power sharing for Tamil Nadu, Congress is not in power, and we should demand power sharing. Therefore, when we were having having an alliance with the DMK, Mr. Girish said that narrative. He caught the correct demand of the party workers. Therefore, he channelized that demand of power sharing well. For the debate for before the election, running up to the elections was only on power sharing. We were speaking about power sharing, why we want power sharing, what is the need of the power sharing arrangement, what we are speaking. Before it was having a huge traction in the ground with the party workers as well as public also. Before Mr. Vijay was the only political leader who announced that if he forms the government, he is ready for power sharing. Therefore, it was Mr. Girish who led that thing in Tamil Nadu. And honestly speaking, he was able to take that to in the debates in the Congress equilibrium and as well as in the public domain also. Therefore, there was a lot of youngsters who supported this move that the power sharing arrangement need to be there. Therefore, the alliance of Congress with the DMK could not win seats. But when our seat became very important with TVK, and TVK we are able to achieve that kind of number, which is maybe less from the earlier number, but we were having 18 MLAs now in the previous assembly, but we got five because of DMK alliance. But the DMK alliance was badly defeated. Therefore, we moved to TVK, and we formed a secular alliance with CPI, CPM, and the left and the IUML together. And now we are in the government and Congress. Two ministers are there. And therefore, it is every Congress worker in Tamil Nadu is very happy for the work which AICC has done it, and particularly AICC in charge, Mr. Girish, was able to report to Delhi and get the right decisions at right time. Because right time and right decisions are more important from the AICC in charge part. When some delays happens, then things doesn't move. When there is some kind of blockades are come, when groupism starts in states, the in charge has to move that groupism and move forward also. For that way, Mr. Girish work in Tamil Nadu is an appreciable work.
Sir, hypothetically speaking, if you had to have an alliance with TVK, a pre-poll alliance, then how many seats do you think Congress would have won in Tamil Nadu?
We would have won more than this. We had done surveys and other. The mood was for a Congress TVK alliance, but our state leaders, certain senior leaders were not against it. But if we would have been there, Congress would have minimum 140 seats.
So is it time for Girish Chodankar to move to Goa right now? When we speak of Goa, I might sound little pro Girish, but since you are having the inside stories from the Congress, is it time for Girish Chodankar to now shift towards Goa, because we are heading for elections in next 7-8 months?
That is not my work to comment on what Mr. Girish should do and what leadership will do. Decides what work we do, how our work should be used. For we are party workers who had been sent to work in different states. I was in Telangana, then I was in Goa, now I am in Andhra Pradesh. Therefore, we are all party workers who works in different positions and different states. For Rahul Gandhi ji has to decide, and Congress President Karge Sahab has to decide what the work they have to assign to us.
You have worked in Goa, sir. Now, can you just suggest, because we are facing elections, what do you think the Congress should do in Goa to make sure that they put up a formidable fight against Bharatiya Janata Party for the next elections?
I was for 12 months in Goa. My understanding in Goa was that we were demoralized in that time, but we were able to, we were trying to build a narrative towards the parliament elections. For it was very important that we have a united team. There was a young team coming up because there was defections in a larger level. Therefore, we were able to. Our idea was that to rebuild the Congress party in the ground level, assembly levels where the MLAs has moved, shifted to BJP on the for positions and power. Therefore, we were to that work was to rebuilding exercise happen. Now it has been 2 years after I moved it, more than 2 years now it is. To 2024 and 25 is over, and 26 it is another 6 months has gone. Therefore, much things would have changed. Manickam Tagore ji is a seasoned leader who had would have worked with many of our colleagues, and we have now the MP also back in from Goa, and therefore we have a very good team there available in Goa, and we all of them has to work together because Congress leadership has to work together. We may have differences, we may have ambitions, but working together is an important thing. Leaving our personal egos, personal ambitions. If we win only, things can we can achieve that great days of Congress in Goa. And I feel that we should work with other like-minded parties also to get our space which has been eroded to some other parties, and we have good leaders in place for in Goa for Congress. And I hope that Congress leadership, Rahul ji and Karge ji, will also be there before elections, 1 year before they will start help rebuild the narrative for a safe Goa and a progressive Goa. And I feel that the Congress party will be with the new leadership in the ground, and with the with these experienced leaders in the state level, we will be able to have a better result and form a government in Goa in 2027.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु। अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद। कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु।
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी। पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो।
Now, in Tamil Nadu, you have already put a foot forward of having a secular government. As far as states like Goa are concerned, do you think alliance is the mantra ahead, or Congress should go on its own and face the elections?
It means we need to sit together because situations are different. Therefore, every time before 2 years when I'm speaking, that time we were in a different mode, and because we had just lost an election. Therefore, after 2.5 years after winning the parliament elections, our mind will be different. Our workers will be in different mood. For I don't think that I'm not connected with the Goa now. Therefore, AICC in charge will talk to the leaders, and he will be able to give the correct feedback to the Congress leadership, because Goa has the always a Congress state. Congress is in the DNA of Goa. And therefore, the mistake has been that we imported leaders who are from BJP and RSS background, and they just sucked the Congress votes and became MLAs, and they moved out to BJP. That's the mistake we had done it. So that compromise leaders are out now. So we should be very clear that we have a better chance because voters are there. We don't have the MLAs. We may not have the MLAs. But this time, when we have put up correct candidates and people from the ground who had worked in the ground, we will be able to defeat BJP, because BJP's corruption in Goa is well known, and the way Chief Minister and the cabinet colleagues, particularly the Health Minister and others who are looting the state of Goa, their corruption is uncontrollable now. Therefore, it is very clear that the people of Goa wants change. The people of Goa wants progress. people of Goa wants a neat government. The neat government is the most important thing. I hope that corruption-free government can be given by Congress in Goa, and Rahul Gandhi ji and Karge Saab will decide about the way forward for Goa.
So last question, and this is a nationwide question. Aam Aadmi Party is setting its foot across India. We have seen, as far as Goa is concerned, they are there. Punjab is concerned, they are there. Delhi is concerned, they are there. Gujarat also, they are there. Do you think, again, I'm talking about these states, the vote share of Congress would be divided with Aam Aadmi trying to get a majority or trying to field its candidate against the Congress candidates in several constituencies?
But we need to understand that states needs different actions. Aam Aadmi Party has weakened in Goa, and the way they fought the elections in 2017, what results they got it, we saw. They became only the vote cutter only. They were not able to win seats, but they were cutting the votes of the Congress. Therefore, people of Goa are very intelligent people, and people of Goa wants a secular government and should not be stopped through vote cutters only. Therefore, situations will demand how we are going to move towards in 2027. And we know that Aam Aadmi Party has lost in Delhi because of corruption charges. And in Punjab is the only state where they are fighting. And in Punjab, they are in a very bad shape now. Therefore, it's a very, very different election for Goa. Different situation and different election for
Because in
Goa.
22 they secured, they won on 2 seats. Aam Aadmi Party right now have 2 MLAs. And as far as assembly is concerned, if you go to see, Congress is having 3 MLAs, Aam Aadmi Party is having 2 MLAs. Going by that arithmetic, they are much closer to Congress.
No, the main issue is that about the vote base which we are getting and who are all our supporters and the overall seats, which how many seats we are number 1, number 2, number 3. Therefore, many seats the Aam Aadmi Party would not have become number 2 itself. Congress would have been the party would have been number 2. Therefore, that is are all issues. And when they don't have leadership in the state also and nationally also, Mr. Kejriwal is having a lot of problems here. Therefore, that all have their own issues. Regarding alliance and others, I feel that AICC incharge, Mr. Manickam Tagore, is the right person to talk about it.
Thank you very much, sir, for joining us
Thank you so
online
much.
from Tamil Nadu and speaking about Tamil Nadu politics and Tamil Nadu results and the current Tamil Nadu government. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
sir.
much. Thank you so much. All the
You're watching Goa News Hub and Hub Encounter on your favorite channel, Goa News Hub. Keep watching.
अरे उस प्लान का क्या हुआ?
इस वीकेंड पे चले क्या?
गाइस, हिमाचल और केरला?
नहीं यार, इट्स टू कोल्ड. तो फिर गोवा चले क्या?
ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर इट. डन? डन. फ्लाइट टिकट्स तो बुक हो गए हैं.
पर वहाँ घूमेंगे कैसे?
रेंट अ कार बुक करें?
ओके.
अरे यार, ये तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है.
अरे हाँ. गोवा है यार, बाइक ले लेते हैं.
ओके.
भैया हमें रेंट बाइक देखना है, कुछ नया पावरफुल स्टाइलिश.
कितना दिन के लिए चाहिए?
2 दिन के लिए.
तो ये वाला लीजिए, होंडा का डिओ 125
ओह नाइस.
The all-new Honda Dio 125. Bold design, powerful 125cc performance, and smooth rides made for Goa.
रेंट अ कार नहीं लिया, वो बेस्ट डिसीजन था.
बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल राइड थी
और काफी स्टाइलिश भी है.
और हैंडलिंग भी स्मूथ है.
ऑल्सो इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फन.
यस.
Honda Dio 125. Rent it, ride it, live Goa.